loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing what I got for Christmas and my goals for 2019. So if you're curious, stay tuned. So we're gonna get started. I'm just gonna go ahead and get what I see first. I'm not gonna go in any order or anything like that. So the first thing I see is my shoes. How cute are these? I got these Vans, and they're like I want to say like light pink, nudish pink. They're just so adorable. I love the color. On camera, for some reason, they look purple, like light purple. I also got them with socks. I love these type of socks, you guys. These are like the bomb ass socks ever. I love them, I love them, I love them. And the material is suede on the back and on the front, and on the side is like jean type of material, if I'm not mistaken. I suck at describing things sometimes, so but yeah, these are adorable. I love these shoes. I can't wait to wear them. And then I also got these gifts were from my sister, and then she also gave me a garlic crusher. I think that's what it's called. The other day we were actually talking about garlic, because every time we cook garlic we always get like stinky fingers from the garlic for like days, and I really hate that. So we were like, oh, we need to get a freaking garlic crusher. So she got me one for Christmas, which I love. Thank you, sister. And I haven't used it, but I'm sure it will come in handy. And next I got a gift card from Bath & Body Works from my Secret Santa. Thank you, I love it. Who doesn't love Bath & Body Works? I love Bath & Body Works. I love the candles, they're my favorite. I used to have a favorite body mist that they no longer carry. I think it was amber something, I can't remember. I actually have the body butter of it, but I don't have the spray of it anymore. I love that body spray. I have a little bit of that mist that I don't want to waste it because they don't sell it anymore, and it smells amazing, and the body butter is just so soft. It's just so good. Anyways, all right, so my husband, he was so generous this year. He spoiled me a lot. We actually spoiled each other this year. He got me a monitor for my videos so I can see myself what I'm doing, and because I do everything myself, I'm the editor, I'm the producer. It's kind of hard to see on the screen on the camera that I have. It has a flip screen, but it's so tiny. Sometimes it's frustrating. I can't see like the settings and to see I'm in focus right. I'm just so happy that it's just so helpful. I can see myself what I'm doing. I can see myself that I'm in focus. Also got me my Alex drawers that I've been wanting for a while to organize my makeup, and I love it. And I haven't put any makeup on it yet. I still need to figure out which makeup is gonna go where. Let me know if you guys are interested. If you want to see a makeup organizing video, give me a thumbs up or leave a comment down below. And next, he also gave me a Too Faced Pretty Rich palette from my Atlanta. This palette is really good. It has 4 glitters in it that I am obsessed with. This is how it looks like. Oh, I'm so excited. And it looks like a kind of a diamond shape, if you will. And on the inside is all the pretty colors. They're just so pretty. Adorable colors. You can go glam on this palette, or you can go neutral on this palette, wear like an everyday eyeshadow. You can do so many looks with this palette. It's amazing. I love it. And the pigmentation is awesome, you guys. When I was swatching these for you guys, I had like stains on my arms. It was kind of hard to take off. I really love this palette. Love that it has a mirror, but I'm not crazy for it because it's kind of small. I would appreciate if it had the whole thing around as a mirror, not just a little circle. Hey, look at those pretty colors. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, look at those glitters. It swatches really nice, and it goes really good on your eyelids as well. And then he also gave me my band for my watch that I've been wanting. I saw it on Amazon, and I just love the color. Rose gold is like my main color right now. I put it on my little wish list, and he got it for me, and I'm so excited. And it matches perfectly with my Apple Watch, and I just love it. He also gave me a pineapple shirt that I am obsessed with pineapples. Anything on camera it looks white, but it's actually like a beige creamy beige color shirt, and it's polyester, spandex, and cotton material. It feels really soft and really nice. He also gave me some jeans, some Hollister jeans, and these are super skinny jeans. I love this type of jean. It's so pretty. It's so comfy. Also gave me 2 rompers that I wanted. They're just so adorable. I love them. This is the first one. This is black and has like coral flowers. On camera probably looks red, but it's like coral and like light pink, and it's just so pretty. And then this other one is maroon with red roses. How beautiful is that? I love rompers. Both of them, you can actually wear them with some cute little over the knee boots and a cute little fall hat for the fall, and in the summer with some cute little sandals or something. I just love it. And this next one, I saw the Victoria's Secret happies. I get emails from them, and then when I wanted one, they really didn't have any more. So then I saw it on Amazon. I mean, it's not probably the same thing, but I saw similar to it, and it's a coat. Oh my god, guys, I am obsessed with this coat. It's so warm. It's super cozy. Love the color and everything. He also gave me this from my little wish list. I'm so happy with this. It's just so cozy and so pretty. It's like a full zipper, and it has 2 pockets on the side here. I will go ahead and link my gifts that I got from Amazon if you guys are interested. Next, I'm going to show you what he put in my stuffing stucker. First thing is a Sephora gift card. How cute is this little mirror? And then you can put a gift card in there, and this is so cute and so useful. I can put it in my purse. And then he put a lip topper. I actually thought it was an eyeshadow. This is from Makeup Revolution. And then a black eyeliner from Sephora brand. Lip balm in coconut. Actually smells really good. I hope it smells really good. Oh my god, it smells like the beach, just cocoa. Every time I smell coconut, it just reminds me of the beach and like pineapples. And anyways, I got a Better Than Sex mascara, travel size, and he also added a Milani highlighter, which I already used, and it's beautiful, you guys. It's so beautiful. I will go ahead and put in a little clip of little swatches. I swatched each color: coral, like a bronze, and a light color. And then he gave me another highlighter. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Amarizzi highlighter. I was so excited when I got this too. I'm actually wearing both highlighters. I'm wearing the Milani one and this one, and let me tell you, it's a great combo. Look at this. It's so adorable. I love it. And then he gave me some Bath & Body Works goodies. This is a body spray, a body wash, and a lotion. 1,000 Wishes, and this is the Sweet Pea body wash, and this is Hello Beautiful fragrance. Ooh, let's see how this smells. This smells like summer, like totally summer. Oh my god, that smells really good. Very sweet and flowery. Let's see how this smells. Oh my god, this smells so good. It smells really good. It's very moisturizing with that shea butter and vitamin E. Girl, I need this because my hands get really dry. I wash them like probably 5 times, 20 times a day. I got this from my in-laws, and this is gonna go perfect on top of my Alex drawers. I'm so excited to organize my makeup. I love the color, you guys. It's so pretty. And lastly, I got my white elephant gift that I chose and nobody stole from me. This is like a Jenga game, and it's just so awesome. My daughter and my husband and we started playing it, and it's just so fun. We get entertained with it, especially my daughter, when the tower falls. I need a coffee break. Yum. So that's pretty much on the gifts. Now let's talk about 2018 goals and a little bit of overview of 2018. It was a little bit of bittersweet. Bitter because my parents moved out of state, and sweet because we were blessed to have another girl. Beautiful little girl. It was actually pretty fast. With our first one, we actually took a little bit longer. It took us a little bit to get pregnant. That I couldn't get pregnant the first time. I didn't think it was gonna be quick for the second child. For 2019, I do have my goals and I do want to accomplish a few things. And basically the 3 words that I can think of is consistency, accomplishments, positivity. Consistency, I want to upload more often for you guys. Hopefully you guys will like it. I want to upload twice a week, and I'm thinking towards the weekend and the middle of the week, but I'm still trying to test it out and see if that's going to work with my schedule and my daughter's schedule. So I will let you guys know, and that way you guys can expect a video twice a week and a certain days. I want to be consistent on my channel. I do want to grow my channel. I really want to do thank for those who support me on my channel, who actually watch my videos and like my videos and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for that. That really means a lot to me. I love staying at home with my kids and spending time with them. Cherish every moment with them because they're not going to be little forever. I want to take advantage of that, and I really thank you so much for that support that I'm receiving from you guys who watch my videos. I really love what I do, even though it's pain in the butt. A lot of people probably think that it's so easy to film and then just upload like that, and it's not. It's actually a process, you know, with the filming and getting in position and getting in focus and the lighting and all that. So every little thing has a process. It is a job. I love it, so I don't mind it. I love everything about it. I love the editing. I love the producing. I love the doing what's the video about and stuff. And the positivity is I want to stay positive and just keep a positive vibe around me. I love staying positive because it's so easy to get negative, you know, and it's hard to stay positive for yourself and for your family. I want to stay positive and be inspired. That's really important for me, especially if I'm filming videos for you guys and for myself, of course, because I love doing it. I want to keep that positive vibe going so I can pass it on to you guys and hopefully inspire you in any way and give you that positivity as well. And now it's bringing us down to accomplishments, and I would like to accomplish everything that I said. That will mean the world to me. You know, accomplishing 2 videos a week and staying positive, being on schedule for myself, because I feel like that will help me a lot. I feel like everything needs to have a schedule, which it kind of sucks at the time, you know, because I hate scheduling. Oh, it's time to play now for 10 minutes or an hour. No, I don't want to plan it like that either. I'm just saying, especially scheduling what I do, filming and stuff and editing and uploading. That's like the main thing I want to schedule. I don't want to schedule my daughter's time because that is just precious a moment, and I feel like there's no need to schedule playtime with them. Just play with them when they want to play, which is all the time. Sorry if this was all over the place, but it was all in honesty. I hope I encourage you to be consistent in whatever you want to do this year and accomplish it, and stay positive on it and be on schedule, be on track, and hopefully everything will be well, better than last year if you had a rough year last year. And just staying positive and having faith. I encourage you guys to write down your 2019 goals and accomplish them, and stay positive and work hard to what you want to accomplish, and you will get there. And I am saying that for myself as well. And check out whatever you had accomplished. And I heard somewhere or read, I don't remember, and they said to not delete or erase wherever it is you write down your goals. When you check them off, don't delete them, don't erase them. Just keep them wherever you keep them, whether it's a notebook or your notes in your iPhone. Don't delete them, you know, and that way you can go back and see what you accomplished, you know. And it feels so good to accomplish something that you wanted to do, whether it's trying new foods or travel somewhere, you know. I would love to travel somewhere. I have like a list of traveling spots that I want to do. You have no idea. I want to travel to Barcelona. I want to travel to Paris. I want to travel to Bora Bora, Hawaii. Canada. Oh my god, it's just, the list goes on and on. You know, there's just so many places in the world that are just beautiful that I would love to see. And sometimes I'm like, maybe we should just travel, vlog it for the channel. That would be awesome, but it's kind of hard with kids. But you never know, you know. You never know. You can always dream and maybe you can come true. Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to write down your 2019 goals that you will accomplish. So stay positive, have faith, and don't forget to stay on schedule. Well, at least try. You know, don't break yourself. Don't hurt yourself over it if you're not on schedule. Be consistent on whatever you want to do, and leave me a comment below. I want to see what you guys got for Christmas, and also leave me a comment on what are your goals for 2019. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you did, thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, what makes you different makes you beautiful, and believe that the possible is always possible by Selena. I love that quote. Love it. Bye guys.